DSA Touch Go is the rolling machine, unique of its kind, equipped with sensors for automatic start, designed by Prismafood Company. The rollers start working when the dough touches the upper slide. Thanks to this, the machine starts working only when needed, and it switches off automatically. This method allows energy and time to be saved and reduces the wear on the mechanical components. Move the switch to position 1 to switch the machine on in the touch and go mode. Push Time Set to set the time you want the machine to work for. The rolling machine is now set. The passage of the dough over the upper slide will start the rollers automatically. In this way, the machine's motor will only start when the machine has to be used, reducing energy consumption and ensuring greater freedom of action for the operator. The Touch and Go model is already supplied, regulated for medium sensitivity. It is also possible to regulate the thickness of the rollers according to the dimension you want to give to the disc of dough. To deactivate the Touch and Go function, you need only move the switch to position 2. In this case, the rolling machine will work in continuous mode. The Prismafood DSA Touch and Go rolling machine guarantees optimal results and large production volumes, thanks to simple use and very high-quality equipment, using transmission with gears. The Touch and Go model is patented by Prismafood. DSA Touch and Go rolling machine, Italian reliability for your professional kitchen.